welcome back to Buckshot Roulette. I'm just now noticing that those bullet casings kind of clip over the letters, so that, yeah, like right, that is so cool. Genuinely. But, let's get into it. Let's do this again. We're coming back for more money. Let's go. Still bumps. Let's go. God, you are still as ugly as last time I played this game. So if he's the dealer... It's dealer backwards. Relayed. I'm the opposite of him because he's some sort of demon monster, and I'm not. Okay, so he got a shotgun. I don't remember what the order was. Just gonna... I'm gonna die first round, aren't I? Bada bing, bada. No boom. Great. Oh, okay. So 3 live, 2 blank. Alright, okay. Chamber and sequence. Yeah, I get the gist. Better safe than sorry. Oh God, his face. It's even. That is so funny to me. I don't know why. Before every, he said the thing. He before every load. I really like this song. Oh. It's nice to see people getting what they deserve. Nope. I did not mean to. Okay. Just. Oh yeah, that he's a pretty good sport if he's actually willing to, you know. I forgot what the sequence was. Or sequence. I guess it's karma. Just like Reddit, which is a horrible place. What was that 3 live 2 blank? I don't know. Whatever it was. I just made the odds even more uneven than they were in the first place, I would say. Fingers crossed. Please be blank. That was a dumb idea. I may be an idiot. Bada bing bada. No, but are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. Give me a moment. Give me a moment. Give me a solitary moment. I'm cooked. I should have seen that coming. Screw you. That's better. That makes me feel better. Okay, 3 live, 3 blank. Tell me, buddy, what do you get when you cross a gambler who's willing to go double or nothing for anything in a game of Russian roulette with a shotgun? I'll tell you what you get. You get what you deserve. That's... Darkwing Phoenix. You ever think of how weird a name like Jacqueline Phoenix is? Like, I get that the last name Phoenix is cool, but I feel like Phoenix should be reserved for a first name and have Wright be the last name. Ah, crap. Well, goodbye. It still makes me laugh with how abrupt it just cuts to black with that. Hey buddy, remember, whatever you hear in that room, you didn't hear nothing. Actually, right, that is wow. Speaking of lights, I should probably put an epilepsy warning. Boom, I'm back. Welcome back. You look like the guy that stalks outside my school in a white van every day. Beer. What do you think, boys? 1 second, let me take my charisma potion. You know what I think? I think the deer looks funny. I wish I was paying attention. I've got to learn to pay attention. But it's so hard to pay attention when I have a device in my pocket that lets me watch Key and Peele whenever I want. Poggers, dude. I think it's weird how cigarettes give you an extra charge on there, because, like, shouldn't that be giving you less life? What's that one boomer shooter game with the blue robot? I'm trying to remember the name. I don't know. I just ultra killed that guy. That build up for such a dumb joke is horrible. Please, don't be a blade. Don't be a blade. Oh. You know what? That's so good. I think I'm taking a picture. I won't take a picture. The cardigan inside my cardigan. Unless we arrive at the final showdown. No more defibs, no more blood transfusions. Now, me and you, we are dancing on the edge of life and death. Hey there, Delilah. What's it like in New York City? Okay. I gotta chill out. I gotta chill out. Oh, four items this time? Oh, heck yeah, bro. I don't know, cigs and handcuffs. You know what that combination's for. So that's the combination for a wild night. Okay. That might have been a bad idea. But if this next one's blank, I'm pretty sure there's a chance. Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a chance the next one is gonna be live. And I don't know about you, but I'm gonna take any chance I can get. Crap. That would have been a great one. Well, I guess I'll have to take my chances. Okay, so that's the addiction corner. Why is there so much beer? I saw my name again, the one that I chose, and I thought it said retard. buddy of mine is playing Ultra 2. Alright. Like Bobby, dude. Alright. I'm thirsty. Hopefully that was non-alcoholic. I'm under the drinking age. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. I'm dead. Please don't take me with that shotgun. Keep the arms up. Let me out of these. I'm gonna find your family. If you hit those cords cut, I'm gonna find you. No, I'm not. I'm not ready. I'm not ready for this. Yeah, a whole lot of good those will do me now. Actually, do they still work? Okay, 3, 5, 2, blank. Come on, come on. Does that mean they're void? I don't know. Come on, mama, be a blank. Crap. Come on, please be a blank. Yes, okay. Bye-bye. Refreshing. Fettuccine. Oh boy. Okay, 4 live, 2 blank. 4 live, 2 blank. If those are void, I'm just doing it for the love of the game, bro, to be honest. Anyway. I'm horrible with chance. I'm horrible at betting. Somehow. Even though I've got every cosmetic from the new Poker Night at the inventory, which you should buy. I'm not good with chance. Now, is this gonna stop me? No, not in the slightest. I'm still gonna try my best. And I tried pretty well, I'd say. He still looks so weird. Bongo, 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 I don't wanna leave the Congo enough. You son of a... Don't you stop. Hey, no, 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 no. Point that at yourself, young man. Young man, hey, don't you dare. Don't, hey, hey, hey! What is this? Is this supposed to be some sort of... Is this supposed to be some sort of representation of heaven? No, no. I choose atheism. I don't want to go. It's the only place I can go, so fine. Was meant to be needles. Oh yeah, I could have guessed that.